Olivia. She lived in a peaceful community called Barangay Malata. And the story goes like this. Olivia is a grade 8 student and she met someone online whom she believed to be another high school student from a different school.
Hello, love.
Hello.
Kumusta ka na?
Okay ba? Ikaw?
Nagkaon ka na, di ba?
Oo, ikaw.
Wala pa.
Pagkaon na tala, uy.
Opo, nagkaon na lang ko.
Sige.
Later on, they apparently developed romantic relationships and she was later convinced to send naked images to his online boyfriend.
Hello, love.
Hello.
Pwede ka mag-request?
At sa to, love?
Mahalala ko sa mga Lord Pick ba?
Ha, kay, unsaan man mo?
Wala, gusto lang na ako makita.
Basig ma-viral ko ha?
Dili lagi na love, promise.
Sige, mag-send ako sa inyo ha?
Sige, love, salamat.
Sige, bye. Hello?
Hello, salamat, love.
Wala pa. Okay na, nasend na ako. Ayaw yung pagkalat ha.
Promise lagi, love, dili.
Kasi mabayaran ko sa anong school.
Promise, tanawan sa ako, love.
Sige, sige. Hello?
Pwede ka mag-meet in person?
Basig di pwede.
Wala, maaga. Date lang magtamag. Taon lang ta sa gawas.
Basig mas kasokan ko sa akong parents.
Ay, kung dili ka makipag-date sa akong i-post online ang inyong native picture.
Ha? Ayaw, oy.
Ay, mga friend! Ang picture mo ba? Nag-viral ka dahil. Araw mo dalawa. Ay, hala! Hala, bitalan niya.
She got together with her parents. She disclosed to the school guidance counselor that her naked selfies were circulating online, particularly in a closed Facebook group of learners in the same school, as well as various unofficial learner group chats. After the guidance counselor referred them to the DP, the victim and her parents reported this case to the Office of Philippine National Police.